We have some news just breaking on e-cigarette regulations. Bertha Coombs is on set with us with that news.
Hey, Andrew, the FDA previously had held back on enforcement of e-cigarettes, giving producers until 2022 to file papers for regulation. But today, the agency outlining new proposals, particularly on flavored e-cigarettes, which the commissioner has really railed against. Let me give you the news here. Under the new proposed rules, which are just posting this morning on the Federal Register, the deadline for flavored e-cigarette producers to submit pre-market applications has moved up a year to August 2021. In the meantime, sales of e-cigarettes will be limited to online and brick-and-mortar retailers which use age verifications. Make sure that products are not being sold to minors. Just last week, you recall, the FDA Commissioner was here saying that they'd sent warning letters to retailers like Walgreens and Walmart about the lack of enforcement on sales of tobacco products to minors. And finally, the agency's rules would crack down on flavored e-cigarettes, particularly which regulators say tend to appeal to minors. Now, these changes do not apply to menthol, mint, and tobacco conventional cigarettes. They do apply potentially to flavored cigars, which would not be grandfathered by tobacco regulation. This is something that they are really trying to crack down on, particularly because of the appeal to young people.
There's been a big question since Scott Gottlieb left the FDA, sort of how you think the approach will be thus far or in the future. What's your take on what happens next?
You know, the folks I've talked to have said that a lot of these issues are things that people who are career people at the agency are pursuing as well, and that there is momentum here, but he is sort of uniquely situated individual in that he really had bipartisan support on a lot of these initiatives.